Thanks for checking back in. I have a fun video tonight. I actually went to the Dollar Tree nearby and I picked up 6 knives similar, 2 like this. I might as well bring them all out. 2 like this and 2 like this. Okay, so largest, or I don't know, what does it call it anyways? A Santoku knife. This is also a Santoku knife, and then this is a Santoku knife, just a smaller one. So this one's got like a, that's not stainless steel. I'm not sure what kind of metal that is. But anyways, I bought 6 of them. And I plan on using these for experiments, sharpening experiments in the future. And for example, I put on 3 of them that I already unboxed green tape, and then we'll leave black handles for the same knife set. That way we can easily compare and contrast. So we put some athletic tape on here to distinguish them. But this one's brand new out of the packaging. But I want to prove it by opening this one right here. And we'll keep this on camera. I'm going to do a paper cutting test right out of the box or packaging, because I don't know what I'm expecting for $1, but let's take a look and see. Not very sharp. Not very sharp at all. So if you go to the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, Dollar General, wherever you live, and you pick up a knife, don't expect it to be sharp. But don't worry, we're going to get this shaving sharp in no time. So you can see with the Sharpie method, we still have a little ways to go on, especially down here. So we're going to keep on going on this side until we raise a burr. We're getting better. A little bit more. All right, and we're there. Black Sharpie is off on both sides. No black Sharpie down at the bevel on either side. All right, and that is a reprofiling of this dollar store knife. So that's the first step. So we just took it off of the Tormek using the 140 grit CBN wheel. And you can see that we now have removed all of the Sharpie from the bevel and raised a burr going on both sides, okay? So this Cheefarcut is a new stone to me. It is a 400 grit vitrified diamond stone that I just got today. And it's going to be a perfect transition from the CBN 160 grit. And then we're going to use the 4-micron strop. Down to the 1 micron. And then down to the 0.25 micron. I always like afterwards just to wipe the blade to get any extra paste off if there is any. All right, and next will be our cut test. Let's give this a final look and see what we've got. Remember, this could not cut paper out of the box. Pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's definitely pretty sharp. Let's see if I can shave any hair off. I'll hold it parallel and then bring the camera up. Oh yeah, it's cutting hair. Let's see if I can get it on camera at all. I don't know. Yeah, there you can see some hair, arm hair. So it's shaving sharp. A Dollar Tree, $1, 25-cent knife. It could be yours. As always, I appreciate you watching, participating in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And as always, Dan for all out.